Hello everyone, today's our topic of study is magmatic and the hydrothermal processes of the ore formation. In today's class we study what are the magmatic processes and how the magmatic processes are helpful for the ore deposit, ore formation. Then understand hydrothermal processes. In the hydrothermal process we understand mesothermal, talithermal, xenothermal. These are the different type of the deposits of the ores according to the temperature and the pressure condition. So start with the first magmatic processes. How the magmatic processes are helpful for the ore deposit. So start with the first, what are the ore formation processes? So ore formation processes are basically nothing, they are the processes by which deposits of the ore, or we can say accumulation of the ore occur into the rock, into the host rock. So ore deposit processes are ore deposit processes are formation process of ores, formation process of ores. In the ore, minerals and the impurities both are present. Ores are mixture of the minerals which are very economically useful, or we can say important, and with the minerals gang which is the impurity. So mineral plus gang is the composition of the ore. So ore equals to mineral plus gang, and here gang is the impurity. This gang is the here impurities. So this is the ore. Now these ore formation processes are different types, depends upon the composition. It is a nickel ore deposit, it is a manganese ore deposit, it is a iron ore deposit. Depends upon the composition of the mineral. Ore deposit processes are very different, and they are also differ or vary according to the texture. Which type of texture present into the ores, shape, their size, and their different features like a mineralogy. So mineralogy based on texture, based on the content, which type of the impurities present into the ore deposits. These are the we can say features which vary or which differ into the one ore deposit to the another ore deposit. So these are the ore deposit process according to texture, composition, content, shape, and the size. Minerals are, ore deposits are very variable. Deposits are very variable. So these are the ore deposit processes. These are depends upon mineral content, texture, shape, size, and the mineralogy. So these are the ore deposit processes, and on very broad category, mineral deposits are two types: exogenous or the endogenous. The exogenous are the endogenous are the primary deposit, means they are formed syngenetic, internally intrusive types of deposit. So primary deposits are endogenous, or we can say hypogene. So broad category of ore forming processes. These are two. First is primary, and also known as hypogene, and also known as endogenous. And this primary, hypogene, and the endogenous processes occur at the very high temperature or high pressure condition. Second one is a secondary, which is the exogenous or exogenous process, which occur at the moderate pressure and the moderate temperature condition. So this is a very broad category based on outer formation or the inner formation. If it is an inner formation, endogenous, high pressure temperature, or primary, or we can say this is the hypogene processes. Now start with the first, what is the magmatic concentration, or we can say magmatic ore deposit formation. So this is the first magmatic process of ore formation. Magmatic process of ore formation. So this is the magmatic, means magma. Here magma is a helpful, and magma is the source for the ore, all the ore deposits. In a ore we have a mineral and the gang. So all the minerals and all the gang present into the ore deposit comes from the magma. So magma is the source, or we can say final or the primary source for the all kinds of deposit, because in the magma all type of minerals present, water present, fluid present, H2O present, CO2 present. So magma is a very wide composition in which all type of mineral present. It may be iron, silica, water, nickel, rare earth elements. These all are present into the magma. So this magma when crystallized, cooling occur. So the deposition is our magmatic process of the ore formation. So this is the magma. So here magma is the primary, or we can say only source of ore deposit, because in ore all the minerals comes from magma. So that is why the magma is the primary source of the magmatic ore deposit, or we can say ore deposit. And what are the processes by which the ore form? It will be crystallization. When the magma comes to the surface from the mantle or from the deep of the earth, when magma comes to the surface, due to the cooling of the magma, crystallization occur, or depends upon the density of the minerals, because different minerals are present. It may be a iron, it may be a nickel, it may be a silica or the water. So these are the very variable density minerals present into the magma. So when these variable densities are present, these are the here differentiation occur. Heavy minerals comes to the bottom and the light ones comes at the surface. So due to the crystallization, ore deposition occur from the magma. So crystallization process helpful for magmatic deposition, magmatic ore deposition. And after the crystallization, second is differentiation. In the differentiation, minerals are separate by density. As the density separation occur means heavy minerals comes at the surface, at the bottom of the chamber. So if this is the magma chamber, due to the differentiation, heavy R comes at the bottom side. These all are the heavy, and light ones are at the surface. Here light ones are at the surface. So